Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlay2Air and today we're checking out another brand new wireless CarPlay adapter from BROxiongdi. So this is yet another wireless CarPlay adapter. It's classed as 2.0. I've not seen the first generation, but it is looking something slightly different to the other dongles that I've reviewed. So I thought I'd check it out once they send it to me for review, and let's have a look at what's inside the box. So here's everything that you get inside the box. We just get a small paper manual. We get a USB-C lead with a USB-A to C adapter for if you've got a modern CarPlay car. And then you get the actual module itself. It's rather light. It has two sort of glass on the outside. I don't know if that's going to help with the wireless transmission. This looks like aluminium, but it's not. It's actually like a silver plastic. Some grill holes on each side. And then on one side, we have a USB input port and then a USB-C output for the cable that we attached into our car. So this is for factory CarPlay systems. It's not an Android dongle. They do another dongle for wireless CarPlay for Android systems as well. This though will just go with our existing factory system. We'll plug it in with the USB-C port and we'll hopefully get wireless CarPlay. So if you have a wired CarPlay system already, you just literally plug this socket into your CarPlay port and then you'll get wireless CarPlay through this dongle. So you can see it measures 95 millimeters square. It's 15 millimeters tall, so just a little bit over a centimeter tall. And although we've got some different branding here, this is what this dongle is, probably just rebranded. It's touted as basically plug and play, so you just literally insert it. You get the CarPlay option to come up, you'll get a holding screen, and then once you've paired up your phone, you'll soon connect to wireless CarPlay. So that's just the general gist of basically all wireless CarPlay dongles. So let's jump in the car and see how well this performs. Right, so we've got the model Smartbox CarPlay adapter here. We're going to use the USB-C end and we're going to plug in the USB-C cable. And on this end, we're going to plug that into the CarPlay port in my car down below. So we're going to get that plugged in now. So with that plugged in, let's get started. There's no actual lights on the actual dongle itself, so I have no idea if it's booting up, when it's booting up, but we're in. So very small red LEDs here at the top, and we can see that we've got a original U2W UI interface. So I'm expecting to have an experience very similar to the early CarlinKit and the CarPlay2Air. So let's get connected to our Bluetooth. We're going to go into Bluetooth here first, and we're going to look for the menu which mirrors this here, and then we're going to select that. That's going to get connected. We're going to use CarPlay, and after a few short seconds we're into CarPlay. So that's pretty quick. I'm impressed with that. From this point onwards, it's going to be pretty much as expected. The display feed is okay, it's fairly sharp, kind of what you'd expect really. So let's go through the motions of testing the audio.
Well, here we are back in the hot, muggy street of New York.
God damn, Jimmy, this some serious gourmet shit. Me and Vincent would have.
Hey Siri, send an audio message to test.
Okay, recording. Send it to test.
Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlay2Air and this is an audio test using the model Smartbox CarPlay adapter, and this is an audio test.
Okay, it's sent.
That all works all fine. We're going to turn this off, give it a second, start up again.
A few moments later.
So around about 30 seconds, which is about average for the U2W interface CarPlay adapters. So that's pretty much no change there. I'd imagine the circuitry inside is going to be exactly the same. Right, I'm going to plug in a USB-A to Lightning cable. I'm going to plug in the cable first to see if it crashes. No crashing just yet. I'm going to plug in the phone. We're getting charged, but we got a crash. So that just mimics everything that we normally get with CarPlay. It hasn't properly fully crashed though, by the looks of it. We are powering though, but it's probably going to do a trickle charge. And we're in, but it's still wireless CarPlay, noted by the battery indicator here. So just bear that in mind. You won't be able to do straight through CarPlay pass through, just like all the other U2W based dongles. So we're back in the studio after looking at this wireless adapter. Overall, it's pretty much the same experience as the CarPlay2Air dongle or the CarlinKit 2.0 dongle with the older U2 firmware. You saw that my boot up time was between 30 to 40 seconds, which is around the same time as what I get with the CarPlay2Air and the earlier CarlinKit dongles. I found the dongle still crashes when inserting the USB cable to charge the iPhone, so that's nothing different to other dongles of this type. Plus, you wouldn't want to be charging from this port anyway, as it would pass so little charging power to your iPhone. I guess the top and bottom materials along with its side air vents will help with cooling, so it may overheat less during any long-term use with this dongle, but I've yet to be able to test this out myself. It's a shame its maker didn't choose the faster AutoKit UI for a faster overall boot up time, but once you're in CarPlay, the experience is no different to any other wireless CarPlay dongle. Software-wise, it is using the latest firmware from August, and inside it is using the newer Realtek Wi-Fi 5 chip. However, like the CarlinKit Mini, it only has one antenna, so it has half of its overall bandwidth speed. So between the two, the Mini would probably be the better buy due to its faster AutoKit firmware. However, unlike the Mini, its additional USB port will give you the ability to recover the dongle without relying on any over-the-air updates. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please leave me a like down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this wireless CarPlay adapter. You can check out my other wireless CarPlay dongle reviews up in the top left playlist window. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.